Hello friends, welcome back to the session. So guys, today we're going to discuss the exit iteration in web method. So let's start the demo. Exit iteration, like dollar iteration is nothing but exit from the current iteration of the nearest parent loop or a repeat step. Okay, so integration server terminate the current iteration and it will start the new one. So we'll start the demo so that you'll get a basic idea for that particular demo. So the service folder I already created, new, then click on flow service, give the name as a exit demo, exit demo, and then click on finish. Okay, define your input. So I'm taking one string list and give the name as a invoice code. After that, click on save option, then go to tree tab, take one loop step so that we can like we are looping over this particular list. Okay, so loop and go to input output, copy this invoice code and paste it here. Click on loop and in input array you can pass this list. This is one thing. Then next would be here to specifying some criteria we required one branch type. So in close tab you can select a branch and its branch as a switch case and here you can pass your switch variable. This is also your invoice code only. And next step would be specifies your exit flow step. Okay, move right. So exit from where you want to exit. There are total like dollar parent, dollar loop, dollar flow, dollar iteration. So today we're going to discuss the dollar iteration. Exit dollar iteration. So if you once you click on the dollar iteration, you can see the definition here. Specifies the flow step or service from which you want to exit. If you mention dollar iteration, then it will like stop the current execution of this part, like stop the current iteration and to start the new iteration. Okay, so here you need to pass for a dollar, like exit from a dollar iteration, you need to pass some label here. Okay, so my label would be a T code. Just click on that particular option and then try to type. Okay, so loop over the invoice code, branch on invoice code, and if the invoice code variable having the value as a T code, if like input having the T code, then it will stop this execution and it will start the new execution. Okay, so after T code, we are passing one debug log. Click on insert and pub.flow debug log. So all details you can mention on your integration server. Okay, go to pipeline, invoice code you can map to message. Do one thing and function as a function. After that, label would be a info, and then click on OK. After that, save this particular demo and try to run this. Click on empty space, run as flow service. Here we are passing the three list. So my first list should be like T code I'm passing. After that, B code and then A code. Okay. So if the integration server find this T code, it will stop this execution. It will start the new one, B code and A code. Okay. Then click on OK. You can see the result here, and we are passing on debug log now. So go to your admin page refresh the server basically, and logs, click on logs. After that, click on server, and here you can see guys, A code and B code got mentioned like printed on your integration server, and integration server skip this T code part. Okay, so this integration server terminate. Okay, it will skip this T code iteration, and it will execute the B code and A code. Okay, so that's all about today's demonstration. Next demonstration might be, I'm coming with the new session. Let me show you. We have total one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I can cover in next demonstration the other, uh, like exit from the property dollar parent, dollar loop, and dollar pro. So if you're new in my channel, so guys, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.